So you got your vehicle wrapped. Now let's talk about how to maintain it for as long as possible and when you might need to replace it. First, regular washing is key. Vehicle wraps are actually porous, meaning that they can absorb dirt and grime over time, which can affect appearance and longevity. That's why it's important to wash your wrap as needed. About once every week or two should do it, depending on how dirty your vehicle gets. Avoid automatic car washes with brushes. They can scratch or lift the edges of your wrap. After washing, dry it with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots. And if you spot bird droppings, tree sap, or fuel spills, clean them off immediately. Because wraps are porous, these substances can seep in and cause stains and even degrade the material. To add an extra layer of protection, apply a wrap-safe wax or sealant after washing. This helps repel dirt and UV rays, keeping your wrap vibrant and easier to clean. Be sure to use a wax designed specifically for vinyl wraps. Traditional waxes can cause buildup and dull the finish. To do this, spray the wax on a towel, apply it to the wrap, and then buff it out with a separate cloth. For quick touch-ups, use a mix of water and isopropyl alcohol, but never use harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbing pads. They'll wear down the wrap over time. To help your wrap last as long as possible and keep it looking fresh, try to park in the shade or indoors whenever possible. Too much sun exposure can cause fading, especially on matte or chrome finishes. Most wraps last between 3 to 5 years, but if you see lifting, cracking, or major fading, it's time to replace it. If a wrap is left on too long after it starts breaking down, the adhesive can bond too strongly to the paint, making removal difficult and can even cause stains or damage to the vehicle. A little maintenance goes a long way. Wash and wax your wrap as needed, spot clean when necessary, and protect it from too much sun. Need help? Reach out to us at Gravity Graphics and get set up on a vehicle maintenance plan and keep your wrap looking brand new.